The MW07 PLUS true wireless earphones are designed with our signature handcrafted acetate body infused with updated technical features that maintain our signature brilliant sound. Boasting 40 hours of total listening time with the case, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 water resistance rating, and new features including feedforward active noise cancelling and ambient listening mode. The MW07 PLUS is the ultimate true wireless listening experience. The MW07 PLUS true wireless earphones are currently available in several colors and come in a hand-polished stainless steel charging case. Also included are a canvas pouch, charging cable, adapter, fit wings in 3 sizes, and ear tips in 5 sizes. The case charges to 40% in 15 minutes and 100% in 40 minutes. When fully charged, the earphones hold 10 hours of listening time, and the case holds an additional 3 full charges for 40 hours total. To charge the case, plug one end of the USB-C cable into the back of the case and plug the other into a power source. After closing the lid, the case battery status lights will come on. A green light indicates the battery is between 70 to 100%, amber indicates 30 to 69%, and red indicates 1 to 29%. The middle light shows the status of the case battery. The left and right lights show the status of each earphone. If the center battery flashes red or does not display, the case battery is depleted. The first time you take both earphones out of the case, they will enter into pairing mode. Simply connect through the Bluetooth menu on your device and select MW07 PLUS R. When prompted by your device, confirm connection to the other earphone. There is a multi-function button at the top of the right earphone. Pressing once will play and pause. Press twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back. To activate Voice Assistant, hold the button while in ear. The volume controls are located on the top of the left earphone. Pressing the front button increases the volume, and pressing the back button lowers the volume. The MW07 PLUS also features ambient listening mode and feed-forward active noise cancelling. Ambient listening mode allows the user to tune into their surroundings for added awareness and safety. To activate feed-forward active noise cancelling, which reduces background noise, press and hold the back button on the left earphone. Press and hold the back button again to turn off feed-forward active noise cancelling. When you take an earphone out of your ear, the audio will pause. Dual microphones in each earphone provide the freedom to play music or make phone calls with either the left or right earphone independently. Your earphones come with medium fit wings and medium ear tips attached. For a more secure fit, choose the ear tip size that forms a seal with your ear canal and the fit wings that fit comfortably under your ear ridge. You can also use the earphones without fit wings if that best suits your ear. To insert your earphones, tilt them forward with the ear tip resting lightly in your ear canal. Rotate the earphone down until the ear tip forms a seal with your ear canal and the fit wing slips under your ear ridge. You should be able to move your head freely without the earphones falling out of your ears. Clean the earphone acetate and ear tips using a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Do not use alcohol or any other cleaning substances on the product. Do not soak or submerge your earphones. To clean the proximity sensor, take a damp Q-tip or cloth and lightly polish the sensor. Thank you so much for listening. We hope that you enjoy your MW07 PLUS true wireless earphones.